What is rod knock? Rod knock happens when a connecting rod bearing wears out and creates extra clearance. This causes a deep knocking/tapping sound that increases with RPM. If ignored, it can A. Punch a hole in the engine block. B. Seize the engine. C. Destroy crankshaft and rods. Can rod knock be fixed without rebuilding the engine? Usually no. Rod knock almost always requires opening the engine. Any quick fix is temporary and may last only days or weeks. Proper fix recommended. A. Rebuild the engine. A full rebuild usually includes A. New rod bearings. B. New main bearings. C. Machining or replacing crankshaft. D. Checking/straightening connecting rods. E. New piston rings. F. Gaskets and seals. This is the real solution. 2. Replace the engine, faster option. Often cheaper to install. A. A good used engine. B. A reconditioned engine. C. A brand new short block. This avoids machine shop work and can be more reliable. Temporary/emergency fixes, only to buy time. These will not repair the knock permanently but may reduce noise temporarily. 1. Thicker engine oil. Use 20W, 50 or 15W, 40. It increases oil pressure and reduces knocking for a short time. 2. Add engine oil additives. Helps only very slightly. A. Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. B. Leaky Moly Motor Protect. C. Bardol No Smoke. 3. Fix low oil pressure issues. Sometimes rod knock appears after A. Low oil. B. Clogged oil pickup. C. Weak oil pump. Check. A. Oil level. B. Oil filter. C. Oil pressure, gauged. If oil pressure is restored early, damage progression may slow, but already damaged bearings won't heal. Before repair, confirm it's real rod knock. Sometimes other issues sound similar but are cheaper to fix. Sounds like rod knock but isn't. A. Loose timing chain. B. Bad lifter, tap it sound. C. Wrist pin noise. D. Exhaust leak near manifold. E. Bad harmonic balancer. Thanks for watching my video.